Opening scene, dramatic music plays, showcasing the sleek and powerful 2010 Audi RS Q7 driving through an open highway, cutting through the wind with elegance. Narrator: in the world of luxury SUVs, few names carry the weight of power, performance, and prestige quite like the Audi RS Q7, a model that merges elegance with high-performance engineering. The 2010 RS Q7 is a masterpiece that redefines the driving experience. Cut to a close-up of the Audi logo on the grille, followed by a panning shot of the car's aerodynamic design. Narrator: from the moment you set eyes on the 2010 Audi RS Q7, its commanding presence is undeniable. With its aggressive stance, signature Audi single-frame grille, and striking LED daytime running lights, this SUV exudes confidence and sophistication. But beneath this refined exterior lies an untamed beast. Cut to the engine bay, showing the powerful engine as it roars to life. Narrator: under the hood, the 2010 Audi RS Q7 is equipped with the monstrous 5.0-liter V10 TFSI engine, producing an astonishing 572 horsepower and 516 pounds-feet of torque. This powerhouse propels the RS Q7 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. That's sports car speed in a full-sized luxury SUV. Cut to a shot of the car speeding along a scenic road, with the driver enjoying the ride. Narrator: but power is nothing without control. That's why Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction. Whether you're on a winding mountain pass or cruising down a rain-soaked highway. Coupled with the 6-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission, the RS Q7 delivers seamless gear shifts and an exhilarating drive. Switch to an interior shot, highlighting the luxurious cabin, leather seats, and advanced infotainment system. Narrator: step inside, and you'll be welcomed by an interior that blends opulence with cutting-edge technology. Premium Velcro leather seats, carbon fiber trim, and a driver-centric cockpit make every journey a first-class experience. The advanced MMI infotainment system keeps you connected, while the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system transforms your cabin into a concert hall on wheels. Cut to safety features being demonstrated, such as adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. Narrator: Audi never compromises on safety. The 2010 RS Q7 is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning, ensuring peace of mind on every adventure. Final scene, the RS Q7 comes to a stop, with the sunset reflecting on its polished surface. Narrator: whether it's heart-pounding performance, unparalleled luxury, or cutting-edge technology, the 2010 Audi RS Q7 delivers in every aspect. A true marvel of German engineering, this SUV isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. Text on screen: a 2010 Audi RS Q7, a power, luxury, performance, and scene. Here's your script for the 2010 Audi RS Q7. Let me know if you need any modifications or additions.